So why does stuff dissolve in water? It's a surprisingly difficult question to answer without a little chemistry knowledge. We know that water is a compound made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom bound together by covalent bonds. Covalent bonds are bonds created when molecules share electrons, but sometimes sharing is not equal. Sometimes an atom, say an oxygen atom, acts like a greedy toddler sharing time on the swing set and takes more of its turn than is totally fair. Oxygen hangs on to the electrons longer because they are more attracted to its nucleus, and so the oxygen end of a water molecule has more of a negative charge than the hydrogen side. The hydrogen side is slightly positive. This setup in a molecule is called polarity because of the positive and negative poles. This means that all the hydrogens in all the water molecules in a glass of water are attracted to the oxygens in all the other water molecules. As you know, we call these attractions van der Waals forces. In water, these forces have another, more specific name: hydrogen bonds. So stuff dissolves in water because the stuff is made of polar molecules and water is made of polar molecules, and all that polarity causes the stuff to spread out evenly in a solution, as the positive ends of things are attracted to the negative ends of water and the negative ends of things are attracted to the positive ends of water. But wait, it gets even more interesting. Sometimes stuff with hydrogen in it releases its hydrogen atom in solution as a hydrogen ion. When that happens, we call the substance an acid. When the stuff releases an ion with both oxygen and hydrogen bonded together, that's a hydroxide ion, and it's a base, which is the opposite of an acid. The scale we measure acidity on is called the pH scale. Distilled water is in the middle with a pH of 7. Orange juice is an acid with a pH of 3, and soapy water is a base with a pH of 12. The pH of a solution is hugely important to how molecules behave in solution, and most living things react very badly when they come into contact with a strong acid or base. And that's just a couple of the super important properties of water that make it vital to living things. Stay awesome!